Hello and welcome to this MOOC about species conservation inside protected areas. As you know, species are the basic unit in the classification of living things. In short, species are a group of organisms sharing the same characteristic that can produce fertile offspring. Generally speaking, some of these species, plant or animal, are values of the protected area and must therefore be conserved. The goal of this MOOC is to give us the keys to understanding the connection between the species and protected areas and how the conservation of one sustains the conservation of the other. How does this conservation apply in situ or ex situ? What are the key concepts, the stakes, the priorities, the difficulties, the limits, but also the opportunities and the best practices to develop for this purpose? So in this MOOC, we will be looking at what a species is, its characteristic and importance for protected areas, and the other way around, and how conservation priorities can be based on the species approach, and how do certain PA categories meet them. Then we will talk about the red list, which is a key tool to assess the vulnerability of a species inside or outside protected areas. We will also consider species conservation at different levels. First, globally, with the risk of invasive species, climate change, fragmentation of the natural environment, and international trafficking. Then, we will have a look at the pressures at the scale of a protected area, poaching, forest product harvesting, fishing, but also the case of moving or migrating species and human-wildlife conflict. Finally, we will discuss the benefits of ex situ conservation, which is sometimes a useful solution, and how it is conducted to lead to the reintroduction of species in the natural environment. You will see that this course combines many experts in theoretical sequences and in practical examples from the field. Each module is made of several videos spaced out with quizzes and examples. There are some recommended readings to go into further detail depending on your own expectations. A PDF course support is also available to help you remember the most important points. Finally, if you pass the optional online exams, you can receive a certificate of completion. We talk about all this on the forum of the MOOC platform, but also on the Facebook MOOC page, which I invite you to join. You can also sign up for the monthly NAPA newsletter to stay in touch beyond the MOOC. There, we are available for you, so don't hesitate to get in touch, and have a great MOOC.